Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Today we are going to learn about one of the very important topic, keeping clean and healthy. Lesson number 11, keeping clean and healthy. Dear children, cleanness is very important to us. When we are clean, we are healthy. When we are clean, we are healthy. When we keep ourselves clean, we avoid so many diseases. Nowadays, the cleanness is very important to all because you are all know it, the whole world is facing COVID-19. When we keep ourselves clean and our surrounding clean, we can avoid the coronavirus. Not only coronavirus, we can also avoid the so many virus, germs and so many diseases also. So, cleanliness is very important. In this lesson, we learned about keeping ourselves clean. How to keeping ourselves clean. And how to keeping our surrounding clean. And how to keeping fit and healthy. Okay, children, let me start. Okay. Open your textbook. Page number 68. Keeping clean and healthy. First we go to warm up. Here is what Anisha does every morning. Number the picture in correct order. See here. Here is given a girl. Her name is Anisha. She is doing some work. Let me see. Anisha puts on a clean uniform. Second one. Anisha brushes her teeth. Anisha takes a bath. Anisha combs her hair. Here is asked, number the picture in correct order. When we wake up, what we first do? Yes, children, we brush our teeth. Isn't it? So, Anisha brush her teeth. Take a pencil and put the number 1 here. I already put here. Put the number here. Number 1. Anisha brush her teeth. After a brush, what we are doing? Yes, we take a bath. Isn't it? So, Anisha takes a bath. Second one. Put the number 2 here. Got it? Next. After the bath, we wear clean cloth. Isn't it? So, Anisha puts on a clean uniform. This is third one. Put the number 3 here. Next, Anisha combs her hair. This is fourth one. Got it, children? Okay, children. Keeping ourselves clean. First, keeping ourselves clean. When we follow some methods, we adopt some good habits. We keep the clean ourselves. How? Let me see. Okay. First, to be healthy, we need keep ourselves clean. First one, we chew food with our teeth. Germs grow on the food stuck between our teeth. So, we must brush our teeth twice every day. Dear children, we are all eating food daily, isn't it? 3 times. When we are chew the food with our teeth, the some food particles are stuck between our teeth. It causes for growing germs. What happened when germs are growing in our teeth? What happened? It causes for many problems. Isn't it? It causes for many problems. It causes for teeth ache and it causes for cavities of teeth. And when it is enter into our body, it causes for so many diseases also. So, what we can do? We brush our teeth daily twice. In morning and night. Got it, children? We brush our teeth. We must brush our teeth daily 2 times, morning and night. Got it? Okay. Second one, we must wash our hands before and after meals. We should also wash our hands after using the toilet. We are doing so many works in this hand, isn't it? When we are doing some works, some dust and dirt are formed our hands, isn't it? When we eat the food, what happened? The dust and dirt is enter into our body. So we must wash our hands before and after meals. Got it? Okay. And we should wash our hands and legs with soap and water after using the toilet. Got it? Okay. Next, we sweat a lot when we exercise or play. A bath makes our body clean and fresh. So, we must have a bath every day. We must wear clean clothes after a bath. Dear children, we are daily doing so many works. We are doing some works and we are playing, we are doing some exercise, isn't it? Then we are sweat. The bath makes us clean and fresh. So take a bath daily is very important. We must take the bath daily. After a bath, we wipe our body with clean towel. Then we should wear clean clothes. It's very important. We must wear clean cloth after the bath. Got it? Okay. Dirt under nails carries germs which can make us sick. We must get our nails trimmed regularly to keep them clean. Dear children, we must cut our nails regularly. Why? We cannot cut our nails. What happened? When the nails are grow, the dust or dirt stuck in our nails. When we eat the food, the dirt is enter into our body. These dirts are causes for many diseases. So we must trim or we must cut our nails regularly. Got it? Okay, children. These are all steps of keeping ourselves clean. Got it? Okay, children. This is enough for today. Next class I will continue it.